Hello folks, Lon Jenkins here. What was on my mind today was stripes. A lot of my neighbors are asking me about lawn stripes. I said, hey, let me put something out here. The reason why I do lawn stripes is the visual impact mainly. I like the way that it looks, the nice, crisp, clean lines. Those like contrasting patterns once the sun reflects off the grass, that's one of my things, man. That's what I like. It looks a little bit different. Another reason, the order behind it, the neatness. I'm a big guy on things should go where they're supposed to go, and that's another reason that I really like the lines. If you're into putting stripes in your lawn, you're trying to copy the ball fields, football field, baseball field, especially baseball fields. It just seems like it's a real professional thing when you go to a ball game or see it on TV, and there's these lines that are just manicured like you wouldn't believe. So that's another reason, I guess I like copying what the pros do. I never knew that I was into the creativity of all of this kind of stuff. As some of you know, I didn't cut my first lawn until I was 26 years old. We didn't have that. So, and I got hooked ever since. So that creativity behind it, I think I really like it. Man, that sun is bright. Also, lawn stripes, when you have some special occasions, graduation dinners, picnics, barbecues, whatever, that is one way to strike up conversation. People will come in and they'll say, oh, your flowers are bright, these are nice shrubs, whatever. But when someone sees that line is striped up like that and looking beautiful, that holds the conversation for almost everyone at the party throughout the time. Even when you're playing cards, you're slapping some spades down on there, or if any of you guys know what tunk is, you're playing some tunk. In between time, somebody will say, man, that yard sure looks good. You're gonna need some special tools if you want to do it like I do it, but you can also get stripes from a riding mower because of the big wide tires. And after you cut your lawn and you stripe it up, put some water on it, and then when the sun hits it just right, oh man, it's gonna look good. So that's why I stripe. Alright folks, this has been the Lon Jenkins with another Lon Jenkins take.